Hello guys, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hide your WhatsApp profile picture, okay? So if you've been wanting to hide your WhatsApp profile picture and you don't know how to do this, okay, this video is for you. The first thing you're going to do is to go to the WhatsApp app, then you tap on it. So once you tap on it, you go over to these three dotted lines, you tap on it. Next, you go to settings, you tap on it. Next, you go to account, you tap on account. Next, you go to privacy, you tap on privacy. So after tapping on privacy, you go to profile photo, you tap on it. Okay, so once you tap on it, you're going to see everyone, my contact, nobody. Okay, so this is turned to everyone. So everyone sees my profile photo, or everyone can see my profile photo. But if I don't want everyone to see it, if I want only my contact to see it, I tap on my contact. And if I want no one to see it, like if I want to hide it from everyone, you go to nobody and tap. Okay, so once I tap on nobody, it means my profile photo has been hidden from everyone or everybody. No one can see my profile photo. So that is how to hide your profile photo on WhatsApp. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video or you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you, and see you in my next one. Bye for now.